21-22. Okay. So this is a general scenario which I would like to, or which I have been put forward in front of you all. So what last year, how we have been propagated or how the things has been managed, isn't it? So this is all about the story of last year. And the student, last year students, if you see the examinations, we have conducted the, or rather I would like to say, university has conducted the final year examination in month of September and October. And immediately after the month of September and October, those who are last year alumni, they might be knowing that those who have been placed in a company or have got the placement, immediately company have board them because most of the software company have board the student in the month of October. But for core industries or the manufacturing industry, almost there were no jobs as such. Those who have placed, they are not given the placement in a core and the manufacturing industry because almost all the units were shut. They were partially open. So this was the story of the last year, but this is new normal one has to think. And one has to, even this corona pandemic has given the lot of insight to us to think upon as far as our living is concerned, as far as your working is concerned, how we should behave, how we should work. For example, one of the industry that is the IT industry, software industry, those who are working in those industries, they are initially in the month of April or May, they have got some kind of break or jerk. But after the month of May and June, their work has been regularized. Most of the IT industry has been come in the online mode and they offer their employee to work from home. And this is a very new normal. And almost all the engineers are working from home and they are nicely and their efficiency also has been increased as far as the survey is concerned. Even though they have get in the month of April good appraisal or good performance appraisal also have got the most of the engineers those who are working in the IT sector, isn't it? So for IT sector and software, this pandemic has given the boom also because if you see this year scenario as far as the placements are concerned, the requirement has enhanced. But for manufacturing other industry, the scene is not good or scenario is not good. Okay. So this is all about the industry side. What is our expectation from alumni? Alumni is always the important thing for the institution development. They are always important. So why? Because see, normally, if you are talking about the alma mater, isn't it? So that is nothing but the what is the role of alumni is much demanded from the world class or the eminent colleges. They have nowadays are alone to may be able to do the alumni association has pulled back the institutions. Alumni are the great force of ideas and funds. Okay, the association is a registered society as we have. It can undertake the activities independently by the institutions and colleges. Normally, to become a eminent institute, alumni and the college has to work together in synergy. So as to complete the globally, alumni and college have to put their strength and together. And we will sure that in the coming days, our alumni as we mature, because almost our 5-6 batches has been passed out. As soon as this alumni batches or the alumni are mature, we hope that in future our alma mater will be going to be very strong. And you as alumni will help a lot to the institution as a Jheel College of Engineering. Okay. So this is about the what you call the in general things about the alumni. Now the alumni are supposed to be ambassador of the colleges. Now what ambassador of the country does? They normally build a program of culture exchange. He builds a bridge in human relation between the nations. Same way he facilitates the exchange of ideas, facilities, commerce and trade. You as an ambassador of the colleges may like to contribute to enhance the industry institute interaction, which will require very much essential for the institution. Bring good things from industry to colleges, exchange, take a good things from colleges to the industries also. So these are the somewhat expectations or somewhat role of the alumni. Because if you see the alma mater or alumni, what they are doing for the institutions, the great institutions like IITs, IIT Bombay, they have built a technology incubation center. Then IIT Kharagpur, they have built a management education center. There are some examples also, isn't it? And even in the USA and UK, their alumni are contributing a lot, even though I say for the development of any institution or universities, alumni plays a very vital role, and they have a very prominent role in the education system as far as the if you see the Western countries, isn't it? So this is all about the what is the requirement and what the alumni is to do. But as far as our requirement is that very simple requirement from our alumni, as our alumni are contributing a lot since last 4 or 5 years I am seeing. So our requirement number one, that is, I say the requirement, what the alumni should help us. So alumni should be help us for conducting some guest lecture or some kind of expert lecture on the state of art or the industry need or the technology, isn't it? So that our student will be aware about the what the things are happening in the industry, how they can be cope up or how they can be alert with this kind of requirement as far as the placements are concerned, isn't it? So this is our requirement that as and when you are free, or it may be on Sunday or it may be on Saturday also, or it may be any weekdays also. So please be sure or please be in touch with us or please contribute in terms of 1 hour lecture or some hands-on practices or if possibly some theoretical concept you want to clear because in academics we have limitations. We can only teach the 30 subjects. But there is a lot of things that is beyond the syllabus, beyond the subjects, that alumni can be contributed, isn't it? So these are the things, this is a requirement or this is a expectations from alumni one thing. Then other is that we are expecting the alumni to show the path to the students, those who are in the third year and final as per the placements are concerned. Because our TNP cell is trying hard to place the students. They are organizing the very say lectures, expert lecture, or even though last year, we have a schedule or we have organized or conducted or we allowed our students to learn the Japanese language, isn't it? Because we heard that there is ample of opportunity in Japan as per the software industries are concerned because Japan nowadays, what what we heard that in Japan, the people who are having the age of 70 or 75, they have to work, isn't it? Is a less of the capacity of the human or good human being or the labor, isn't it? Or the technical person. So they are looking for the India, what I heard. That's why last year, even we have conducted a batch of 250 students for the Japanese language, level 1, level 2. And out of that, some of the students have cleared, they have good the good jobs, get the good job. So this is to show the correct path or the say what you call the a learning path to achieve the placements. This is our expectation. The other expectation is while delivering the lecture or while discussing with the student, we expect the alumni that what is the job scenario in the market, which industries are booming, where the jobs are available. As we heard, as we seen that nowadays good jobs are available for IT, computer, and at the same time with the ANTC people, those who are going or those who are opting for the software courses. So same way, we are expecting from the alumni they should show the light or they should show the path where the jobs are available in the core area or in manufacturing area. This is our expectation. Also the opportunity in the industry for the placement, or rather I would like to say if you know some opportunity or some kind of requirement in the industry, you just forward us. We will share our student. Or even though if you tell this is a requirement and the student has to brush up with this kind of courses, so we will conduct the courses for the students so that they will brush up, they will revise the thing, and they will be placed. So these are the expectations. Then along with that, those who are the student taking the higher education, because when we are discussing with the students, some of the students are taking their MS, are doing their MS in US, or some post-graduate courses in the UK also, and some of the students are doing their education in the US, Australia and New Zealand also. So in Germany also. So just you can give the information or share the information where the opportunity for the higher education to our student, isn't it? Or even though in India also, MTech and MBA for the premier institution, where is the opportunity, how the things are can be materialized, or how it can be, how the entrance test can be cracked. Then the other issue is the entrepreneur, because most of the students they are doing the job, but some of the students are they are doing the good in entrepreneur. Some students I know they are started the startup also, and they are doing somehow good in the startup business also. So my expectation from you is that you can show the path or show the something innovative path so that the student can become an entrepreneur, isn't it? Because some students have good financial capacity, they can go for the entrepreneur, isn't it? They can do the entrepreneurship, isn't it? So in this regard also, the startup activities, startup ideas, innovative ideas or something, even though not a startup, even though what kind of businesses are there in the market, students can do by keeping the mindset of analysis and calculative mind those engineers are possessed. Then how to earn the money during the study also, because some of the students are there, they are doing the part-time jobs, part-time undertaking the enterprises and earning the money. So in this respect also, I request the alumni to show the light how the jobs can be, or how the part-time jobs can be, how the jobs can be forwarded, it will be available. Then opportunities, especially in electronics industries, because you are working in many industries also. So that we are expecting from your side. So this is the your expectation from our side, but you also expect from some institution and department, isn't it? So what are the expectations? Our expectation, but we also want to contribute. Now, what we have decided, we should make the WhatsApp group, and WhatsApp group of the say nearby alumni years. Say for example, last 2 years one WhatsApp group, last 2 years one WhatsApp group, isn't it? Accordingly, we should be in contact with our alumni by making the WhatsApp group and by sending some message or some information in the WhatsApp group. The very simple purpose is that by creating this WhatsApp group, that we should be in touch with other, isn't it? Or whatever the information from your side you should can be forward, and same information can be forwarded to our students, isn't it? That may be helpful. This is one thing. Second thing is if you are doing some business or a service kind of activities in the market, if you want some customers and all those things, so you can share your information. This information we can share to our groups. Parent groups are there, so that some of the business will be getting through this WhatsApp group, through these parents, through these students also. So that is, it is beneficial for you also, or those students want to switch the job, or those students want not getting the job initially. We have a lot of say mails are getting from the industry. So this mail will be forwarded to you also. The information of the placement will be forwarded to you also, because our TNP said every year, in the around the year, they are forwarding the information. Last year batch student pass out. This is the requirement. Last 2 year batch pass out. This is the requirement. So this in this way also we can give will provide the help to you that suitable or availability or the opportunities in the industry through the this kind of mail or messages we will share you in a WhatsApp group. Or somebody is having the venture like offering courses, isn't it? Because I have interacted with some students, they are have ventures, they are offering courses like embedded system, image processing, signal processing. So they have started they come together with 2, 3 students, they have developed one venture and they are forwarding or they are providing some courses to the student. So if you have such a venture, you can just share your information on the WhatsApp group. This information will be forwarded to the aspirant student 3rd year and final year. Accordingly, you will get the job or you will get the business in this way also. So this we can do. Then some of the students also I heard they have consultancy kind of say business providing the information or consultancy for the abroad education because some students I heard from mechanical because 2 3 students from mechanical of 2 year batch pass out. They have developed one consultancy and they have tied with some of the institutions and universities and some good consultancy they are sitting in abroad. So this consultancy kind of work, if you can provide our venture or if you could provide the help through a consultancy, definitely the students will register in your consultancy for seeking the help for the abroad education. So this is also accordingly your business can be enhanced or it can be increased. We also forward this is a trusted information to our student and student can get the abroad education or admission through your consultancy. So in this way you will get the benefit in your job. So okay, and very purpose of this making the WhatsApp group is that because what happened, WhatsApp group because most nowadays what happens some of the staffs are leaving some new staffs are joining to the department. It is a part and parcel of the job. That is nothing new here because those who are getting the good opportunity they can go and they can join to other organizations. So if you create the WhatsApp group, new members will come, old members will leave, but this journey will come, a journey will start and journey will be move forward in a total direction, isn't it? There should not be, say, lacuna or something if somebody left and somebody joined, isn't it? So that's why we are making the WhatsApp group. Whosoever is coming, they will add, they will run this WhatsApp group. They will share this information to the student. They will in contact with the alumni, those who have been passed out. So this we are doing from our side. So, and also I really congratulate those alumni who really contributed in terms of giving the lectures because last week and last week, we have explained that some of the alumni has given the very nice lectures to our third year student or B student also. So same way at least we can be in touch with through this kind of venture is conducting the lectures or sharing your information to us. So this is a little expectation from our side and what we can do for you as a head of department, as an institution that I have been narrated over here. So this is now open for you or even though so in this way I conclude my speech. I hope whosoever member has been joined, I thank for them because of your busy schedule or your decided assignments, you have been joined. You have find out the time to join this meeting. And I hope also not for this is one beginning I can call, isn't it? But in say after 1 month or 2 months, same kind of meeting we can hold to specific group of alumni or whosoever alumni want to join regarding the or if some alumni have some ideas, even though 4 5 alumni or 2 3 alumni, if you have some ideas, you can just forward your message to us. We can hold the annual meeting nowadays. It's a good thing. No need to come to the campus, isn't it? But we expect that you should come to the campus when we hold a big alumni meeting or alumni interaction as we have conducted last 2 years, isn't it? But in future also, whatever the things you want or your friend want to give the message or to forward something to the department or for the benefits for the students, just you put the message in a WhatsApp group. We will hold a meeting with you and accordingly it can be shared to the student. Accordingly it can be what you call the forwarded to the student. And even though whatever the help you want from our side, also be possible within our purview, we also help you. Because not only a technical thing, because now this is a pandemic situation, because we have experienced our friends, most of our say what you call the near and dear. Some one or somebody has been joined to some of the groups, some of the social networking group. They are help in a pandemic situation for getting the beds, getting the remedies with injections, getting the food or the needy persons. Lot many things people have done, direct way or indirect way. So in this way also, if our students some need some kind of medical help or some kind of say hospital help or even the help which is possible from our side, we definitely can provide our help to you and we can help you or we can provide our services as it may needed. So that's why we expect that you should be in touch with us. Oh, whosoever is the old member, More madam is there, Gorki madam is also there, new Khandekar sir is there, Kaljanwa, these are the senior faculty members in the department, isn't it? So thank you, madam. This is from my side. I hope I have passed the message to the alma mater. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Dr. Khandekar, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. I welcome all alumni for this alumni meet. Is it audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
So I will start with some philosophy like educational institutes are for imparting education to come up with concrete outcome, and that outcome is becomes the alumni. And the educational institutes are also identified from their alumni. So alumni is one of the stakeholder of the institute, and if the institute grows, it brings pride to alumni as well, being a past student of the institute. So in this regard, what alumni can do is alumni can contribute in terms of content beyond the curriculum. There are certain contents beyond the curriculum expected to inculcate certain skills among the students of the program. So the alumni being experienced in their or experienced as well as expertise in the particular field they are working, so they can contribute or they can offer their services free or paid to the institute to impart some value added programs. Also they can guide the students and share the experiences. One more thing is they can offer the internship if possible, internship where they are working, and if there are certain possibility of internships, summer and winter internships, so in that case also they can offer the internships. And another thing is you are not only the alumni of the college but also the alumni of SPPU, being you are the past student of the college affiliated to the university. So you are also the stakeholder of the university, and university provides curriculum to the colleges. So the institutes shall take opinion of the alumni on the existing curriculum and ask them for identifying the gaps and prepare the content beyond curriculum. Also, they can propose certain modifications in the upcoming syllabus revision. So that those can be the responsibilities of the alumni being stakeholder. In numerous ways they can contribute, which will bring to the overall development of the institute and pride to the alumni. More thing what they can do, they can have formal chats with or informal just chats with the existing students and motivate them and tell them what to do and more importantly what not to do. Because when you were also students, you were doing lot many things, those were not to do, and that you might have understood after completion of the program. So in that way also you can guide the current students that what not to do, and always what not to do is more important than what to do. Be in touch with the institute. Institute also shall be in touch with you. One more thing is that being a stakeholder of the institute, you shall propose certain comments on the vision and mission of the institute. Vision means what the institute has planned to do over the next 10 to 15 years. And mission is the way to move towards the vision, to move towards the goal. And then that comes with the small things like what should be the outcome of every course. Means we are learning so many courses in the graduation program. And why to learn? What shall be the outcome of the course? If that is not the outcome coming out of the syllabus, then identify the gaps. Now you are eligible to do that because you are actually working in the industry. And after learning so many subjects, you can find out what was missing in the particular subject. So that way also you can help. Anyhow, it is a good pleasure to see you after a long break, and after getting transferred back to ANTC Engineering Department in October 2020. Again, I am the part of the department, and many names I am seeing here, I know them as they were the passed out students, or they were learning here when I was the part of this department before 2018. When in 2018 I was shifted to electrical engineering department. So I hope you are doing well, and also I give my best wishes for your prosperous career. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now from alumni, anyone wants to talk? Feel free to talk.
Please motivate everyone to talk, because after so many days they are here. So
Yes,
we are
Akshay.
eager to learn, eager to hear from them.
Yes, sir. Akshay Deshpande has taken alumni lectures, alumni interaction session for our SCT and BE student. So I appreciate Akshay. Anyone is interested to take alumni interaction session for our department, for your junior student? Feel free to talk.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
dear alumni, please, we are eager to listen you, isn't it? Because after many years we are meeting.
Yes, Abhijit.
आपण परत दुसऱ्या म्हणजे मराठीत बोललं चालेल, हिंदीत बोलत चालेल, इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलत चालेल, व्हॉट एव्हर द लँग्वेज यू फील. आणि तुम्हाला काय वाटते ते बघा, आमच्याकडून काय एक्सपेक्टेशन्स आहेत, तुम्ही काय करता, बोला ना. वन बाय वन, फक्त 5 मिनिटं बोला.
ओके. सो हाय, अभिजित महाडिक बोलतोय. सो आनंद वाटला सगळ्यांना बघून इथं.
तुझा जर व्हिडिओ ऑन केला, हॅलो, तुझा जर व्हिडिओ ऑन केला तर आनंद होईल, थोडं आम्हाला बघता येईल.
ओके, शुअर. दिसतंय?
येस, व्हेरी गुड.
ओके. सो तेच मला एवढं सांगायचंय की भरपूर ओपनिंग्स आहेत, जॉब ओपनिंग्स वगैरे भरपूर आहेत जिथे मी आता काम करतोय तिथे. पण थोडेसे स्किल सेट्स जे आहेत आपले ऑलरेडी, तर त्याच्यामध्ये थोडस एक आउट ऑफ द वे जाऊन आपण स्किल सेट्स वाढवले, इच्छा असेल तर. म्हणजे तसं काही नाही की इव्हन ENTCचे जे स्किल सेट्स आहेत ते पण चालू शकतात. मी वेगळा पाथ घेतला, मी लिनक्स कडे गेलो, आणि मी अजून काही लोक प्रोग्रामिंग कडे जातात. सो टोटली पूर्णपणे ते प्रोग्रामिंगच्या ह्याच्यातच जातात. सो थोडस आपण आउट ऑफ द वे घेतलं पाथ आपला, तरी पण आपल्याला भरपूर ओपनिंग्स मिळू शकतात. आणि आता मी ते सांगत होतो माझ्या मित्रांना वगैरे की ओपनिंग्स भरपूर आहेत, कोणी असेल तर रेफर करा माझ्या कंपनीमध्ये. सो तेच एवढंच म्हणायचं होतं मला. आणि डिमोटिवेट अजिबात होऊ नका. थोडा वेळ सुरुवातीला थोडा कष्ट सगळ्यांनाच पडतात, पण त्याच्यानंतर चांगलं एक हे मिळतं आपल्याला. एवढंच मला बोलायचं होतं. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू अभिजित. अभिषेक आहे का? अभिषेक बोल. अक्षय बोल. अभिषेक, अक्षय. अक्षय देशपांडे, अक्षय पिजाजी. काय 2 मिनिटं बोला, 1 मिनिटं बोला. तुम्ही कुठल्या कंपनीमध्ये काम करता ते सांगा. नेचर ऑफ जॉब काय आहे तुमचं ते बोला फक्त.
हॅलो हॅलो, एक मिनिट सर. हॅलो, अभिजित महाडिक.
हा हॅलो.
अभिजित,
हा हॅलो.
हा. आपल्या ज्युनियर साठी SCTB साठी जरी तू इंटरॅक्शन सेशन ठेवलंस तरी चालेल. मी तुला कॉन्टॅक्ट करेल.
शुअर.
येस येस.
ओके. या.
अक्षय देशपांडे, अभिषेक,
What
चैताली जोशी
Adam
आहे
has
का?
said is applicable to everyone. You can come up and even we can have discussion here. But what I expect here, please share your views. We have ample time and feel free to speak. गप्पा मारल्यासारखं बोला. Abhishek Biradar has raised the hand. Yes, you can.
येस.
अभिषेक.
A very good morning to all. Am I audible?
हा, you're
येस,
audible.
ऑडिबल.
Can you turn on your video, please?
Sir, due to
Alright.
lockdown, we are
Okay.
stuck in 2 months at home and
Okay,
so,
no problem.
so we
Whatever.
don't have any beard have it done and it is not in a shape. So,
Okay, no problem. Be comfortable. Whatever the one. Please share.
so I can put my views by audio. So my name is Abhishek and I was in the college from 2017-18 batch and I got passed out to 2018. I completed ME to the same branch. So currently I'm working with the college name company, which is a security company. My designation is Senior DevOps Engineer. And I have been working from 3 years at the same company. Previously, I was working in a Capgemini. So total my experience is around 7 years. So there are a lot of opportunities in the market and beyond what are we are learning in the college. So we have to add some few points, which is going offbeat, like what is market wants and what is the top 10 trending technologies currently going into the market. So there are few technologies. So I'm a software engineer, so I'm working on the Linux, DevOps, servers, and cloud things, AWS, Amazon Web Service, and different things which are currently very top and hot trending technologies in the market. And few of the knowledge is totally free on the YouTube and free of channels, and people will get a very less amount. They can get the courses and they will get the idea about these top trending technologies, like we can say Udemy. And there are multiple things. There are only for 350 rupees there are the courses which you can get the idea live projects and you can implement and you can done the practical by yourself, and you can learn the things. These things are very useful to the companies and interviews. If the fresher has added his knowledge of some things of top trending technologies like AWS and all those things, and I have also learned those technologies at a free of cost on the YouTube. So if the fresher can add their resume that they have small amount of knowledge of this AWS and these technologies, just if he had the idea what is this technologies, it will be very grateful and he will get various opportunities to the companies. So and he will be easily get the job. And if I got any resume and if they have mentioned like he have idea about this, what is the cloud and what is the things, so I will be very surprised. Oh, that fresher student, how these know? He had learned something by himself and he done the studies. So that's it from my all. I have to add this point.
Very nice, very nice. We will forward this message to our student, particularly third year student, Abhishek. And if possible in future, you can hold or you can conduct 1 hour session to our student. It will be more better. So our alumni coordinator will be in touch with you.
Yeah,
Possible as per your convenience, we can hold this thing. Thank
sure,
you,
sure.
Abhishek. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next, Kushal, Nikhil.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Yeah, am I audible?
You are audible.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
yes.
you are audible.
Oh, okay, great. So first of all, thanks for arranging this meeting. And after a long time, it's really good to see you all of you here. And especially thank you, Khandekar sir. It's really nice to see you over here and listening your thoughts. And currently, like I have 2.5 years of experience in a business technology as a consultant, and I'm specifically working in a Salesforce technology. So right now there is a huge opening in the Salesforce. Like Salesforce from itself, they are going to launch a 10 million job in India itself and all over the whole country. So for the freshers and who are learning in the last years, I will suggest them to learn the technology or like all of the technical material already available on the internet. They just need to find the right path, what they have to study about it. And I will really help if I can help anybody, the fresher from the college, to launch their first job.
Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Kushal?
Thank you, Kushal.
Thank you.
Yes.
आम्ही आता काय करणार आहे, तुमचा जो आजचा आहे त्याचा एक ग्रुप बनवणार आहे व्हॉट्सअप. त्या ग्रुपच्या माध्यमातून तुमचे काही थॉट्स असेल, तुमचे काही मेसेजेस असतील, तुमच्या काही रिक्वायरमेंट म्हणजे कशा जॉबच्या संदर्भात, जसं खांडेकर सांगितलं बियॉन्ड लर्निंग काही करता येऊ शकते का, तर तशा काही तुमच्या मेसेजेस जर आम्हाला आले की तशा काही तुमचे सजेशन्स आले तर आम्ही त्याचा नक्की विचार करून थोडं मुलांपर्यंत पोहोचू, सो दॅट there should be a interaction student to alumni. We can make a bridge. We will be the bridge for this one. Our incoming student and outgoing student, we can bridge in this way. So हे करतोय आम्ही. बरं, आणखीन नितीन, पूजा आहे.
Has raised the hand.
Hello.
Nikhil Bairat has raised the hand. So you can.
हॅलो सर, आवाज येतोय माझा सर?
येतोय.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग सगळ्यांना. बरेच दिवसांनी बघून आज बरं वाटलं की सगळेजण एकत्र आले आज. आता पॅन्डेमिकमुळे डायरेक्टली भेटणं होत नाही, पण या मीटिंग थ्रू तरी सगळ्यांना भेटता येते. जसं सरांनी मगाशी सांगितलं की स्किल सेट जे काही आहेत मार्केटमध्ये, ते जे काही आता जे फ्रेशर स्टुडंट आहेत त्यांना थोडंसं स्किल सेट बिल्ड करायची आता सध्या थोडीशी नीड आहे. कारण मार्केटमध्ये सध्या स्मॉल स्किल सेटनी पण स्टार्ट करणं आता खूप सोपं झालंय. आणि युट्यूब वगैरे अशा गोष्टींमधून आपल्याला स्किल सेट वाढवायला खूप आता सोपं झालंय पहिल्यापेक्षा पण. आणि त्यासोबत मी स्वतः PLC डेव्हलपर आहे. गेले 3.5 वर्ष मी PLC डेव्हलपर म्हणून आता काम करतोय इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये. आणि मार्केटमध्ये आता जॉब सिच्युएशन अशी आहे की जॉब आहेत भरपूर, जॉबची सप्लाय जास्त आहे, पण स्किल सेट नाही आहेत अजून. म्हणजे तेवढे बिल्टअप स्किल सेट जे असले पाहिजेत. कारण आपल्या स्टडी ह्याच्यामध्ये जे काही आपण शिकतो त्याच्यामध्ये PLCचा जरी काही भाग असेल किंवा इतर कोणत्याही लँग्वेजचा भाग असेल, तर तो तेवढा व्हास्ट ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला आपण शिकला जात नाही. तर तो थोडासा आपल्याला त्याच्यावर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट जर केलं तर जॉब मिळवायसाठी खूप मदत होईल. जे काही थर्ड इयर आणि लास्ट इयर स्टुडंट आहेत, इव्हन दो त्यांना इंटर्नशिपसाठी सुद्धा आणि इव्हन दो प्रोजेक्टसाठी सुद्धा, या दोन्ही गोष्टींमध्ये त्यांना खूप सारी मदत होऊ शकते जर त्यांनी थोडं स्किल सेट बिल्ड केलं. आणि निश्चितच पुढे जाऊन जरी काही माझी मदत लागली किंवा कोणत्याही प्रकारची हेल्प लागली तर मी त्यासाठी नेहमीच तयार असेन. आणि ऑल्सो जे काही फ्रीलान्सिंग वगैरे करतात, इव्हन दो मी फ्रीलान्सिंग सुद्धा करतो, तर त्यामध्ये फ्रीलान्सिंग मध्ये पण चांगलं करिअर आहे की तुम्ही तुमचे स्किल सेट बिल्ड करून तुम्ही नवीन अपॉर्च्युनिटी जर शोधल्यात तर तुम्हाला म्हणजे कुठं जॉब न करता तुम्हाला स्वतःचं एक स्टार्टअप टाईप करू शकता तुम्ही. अशी एक संधी आता मार्केटमध्ये भरपूर आहेत. फक्त थोडंसं एक आपल्याला स्वतःहून एक स्टेप स्टुडंट्सना पुढे घ्यायची गरज आहे सध्या. आणि त्यासाठी आम्ही सर्वच जण त्यासाठी मदत करायला तयार आहे. मी स्वतः सुद्धा मदत करायला काहीच हे नाहीये. आणि बरेच दिवसांनी खांडेकर सरांना ऐकून पण खूप बरं वाटलं आणि सगळ्यांना भेटून चांगलं वाटलं. थँक्यू.
Thank you for your views.
Thank you. Anybody else?
Nitin has given very good message in the chat box. So this can be circulated to all the students, and also I appeal all to have not exactly now, but when the pandemic is over, please come to college for having discussion with the existing students as per your convenience.
Yes, Nitin has given the very good message. Okay.
अजून आहे कोणी?
प्रसाद बोलायचं. सुयोग.
येस सर, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल. फर्स्टली जसं की निखिल, अभिजित आमचे क्लासमेट आहेत, सगळेच आहेत क्लासमेट. सगळ्यांना बघून खूप चांगलं वाटलं. ऍक्च्युली रिअली म्हणजे मी एक पॅन्डेमिक रिलेटेड म्हणजे सांगू शकतो की आपल्याला एकतर असं झालंय की पॅन्डेमिकमुळे दोन कंडिशन आल्यात एकतर मार्केटमध्ये. एकतर काही काही लोकांचे जॉब जात आहेत, ही निगेटिव्ह साईड झाली. पण पॉझिटिव्ह साईड बघायला झाली तर कंपनीवाल्यांनी आता फोकस असा केलाय की दे हॅव हायरिंग फॉर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑल्सो अँड दे आर ऑल्सो हायरिंग फॉर द वर्क फ्रॉम होम पीपल. त्यामुळे काय झालं की त्यांची मास रिक्रुटमेंट चालू आहे आता कंपनीची बघायला गेलं तर. कारण कंपनीचे जे प्रोजेक्ट रिक्वायरमेंट्स आहेत आत्ताच्या बघायला घडी गेलं तर ईएनटीसी मध्ये म्हणायचं झालं तर ईएनटीसी ऍक्च्युली डिवाइड इन 2 or 3 or मेनी मोर पार्ट्स. कारण एवढं मला माहिती नाही, ऍक्च्युली मी 2च वर्ष एक्सपिरियन्स आहे त्यामुळे. की आता हार्डवेअर आणि सॉफ्टवेअर ईएनटीसी मध्ये जेवढे पीपल्स आहेत ते मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हार्डवेअर ॲज वेल एज सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये ग्रॅप करतात संधी. सो इज नथिंग बट की पब्लिक आपलं आयटी कडे पण शिफ्ट होत आहे. त्यामुळे वर्क फ्रॉम होम कल्चरमुळे कसं झालंय की नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स गेट मोर चान्सेस थ्रू द वर्किंग इन द हार्डवेअर ॲज वेल एज सॉफ्टवेअर. सो एएनटीसी असल्यामुळे आपली ब्रांच एएनटीसी असल्यामुळे आपल्याला बेनिफिशियल हे की आपण दोन्ही वर्क ऍट अ टाइम करू शकतो. आणि स्किल सेटचं म्हणायला झालं तर कंपनी हॅज एक्सपेक्टेड मोर यू इन दिस पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशन. कारण त्यांना आता कॉम्पिटेटर्स खूप निर्माण झालेत. सो ते मल्टिपल्स ऑफ हायरिंग कंटिन्युअसली चालू ठेवणारच आहेत आत्ताच्या घडीला जर सर्वेनुसार बघितलं तर. कारण कंपनी हॅज अलॉटेड मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स सो दे कॅन हायरिंग द कंटिन्युअसली. बट स्किल सेटचं बघायला झालं तर जसं की बाकीच्यांनी पण त्यांचं सजेशन दिलंय की स्किल सेट आपल्याला रिक्वायर आहेत, पण बेसिक स्किल सेट जे आहेत जे आपण रेग्युलरली करतो ते फोकस ठेवूनच आता जी अपग्रेड टेक्नॉलॉजी होती त्याच्यावर पण आपण फोकस केला पाहिजे आत्ताच्या घडीला, रादर दॅन ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन द बेसिक स्किल सेट. सो हे माझं ओपिनियन होतं ऍक्च्युली जे आम्ही ऑब्झर्व केलं लास्ट 1 year पासून पॅन्डेमिक मध्ये. पण हायरिंग प्रोसेस जसं की सगळेच म्हणतात की हायरिंग प्रोसेस आता बूमनी चालली आहे मार्केटमध्ये कुठल्याही डिपार्टमेंटला. फक्त आता रिस्क कशी आहे की कंपनीची पॉलिसी की जे हायरिंग फायर चालू आहे, पण आत्ताच्या घडीला कंडिशन एवढी चांगली आहे की हायरिंग जोरात चालू आहे आता सगळ्याच डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये, सगळ्याच सेक्शनमध्ये. सो ही आहे आपल्याला ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी जर आपण प्रॉपरली युटिलाइज केलं. कारण कंपनी फक्त आता रादर दॅन फोकसिंग ऑन 2 to 3 hours इंटरव्ह्यूच्या ऐवजी ते फक्त तुमचा त्यांची प्रोसेस कमी करून 1/2 and 1 hour मध्ये इंटरव्ह्यू कंडक्ट करतात, अटेंड करतात. फक्त तुमचे स्किल सेट प्रॉपर असले आणि एक्सपिरियन्स असला तर ते बरोबर हायर करतील. सो बेसिक थिंग इज की आपल्याला जर अचीव्ह करायचं असेल आपलं गोल तर आपले स्किल सेट स्ट्रॉंग पाहिजे आत्ताच्या घडीला, जे कंपनीने त्यांच्या रोल्स अँड रेग्युलेशन मध्ये म्हणजे ओपनिंग मध्ये डिस्क्राईब केले ते. सो हे माझं ओपिनियन होतं.
मला एक ऍड करायचंय की आपण जे शिकलोय जे केलंय तर ते दाखवायला पण यायला पाहिजे. तर ते पण एक खूप इम्पॉर्टंट स्किल आहे.
हो अभिजित, तू जसं म्हणलं ते बरोबर आहे की आपण जे शिकलोय ते आहे, पण आता आपल्याला हे पण बघायला पाहिजे की कंपनीचं आपल्याकडनं काय एक्सपेक्टेशन आहे. की सपोज त्यांनी जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये एखादं पर्टिक्युलर दिलं असेल की फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादी लँग्वेज दिली असेल किंवा एखादं त्यांनी स्किल सेट दिला असेल, ते जर तोच रोल दुसऱ्या कंपनीत जरी आला तरी तो स्किल सेट तो लागतोच. सो आपण तसे सॅग्रिगेट केले पाहिजे पहिले स्किल सेट की तू आपण कुठल्या रोलसाठी जाणार आहोत त्या रिलेटेड. सो हे बेटर राहील, म्हणजे हे आपल्याला सोपं होईल. सो हे माझं पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ऍक्च्युली या पॅन्डेमिक मध्ये. आणि सगळ्यांना बघून ऍक्च्युली खूप आनंद वाटला आणि सरांचं बोलणं खूपच भरपूर दिवसांनी ऐकलं ऍक्च्युली. सो इट इज गुड टू टॉक विथ यू अँड लिसन यू. थँक्यू मला बोलण्याची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिल्याबद्दल. थँक्यू.
बरोबर आहे सुयोग, तू सांगितलं ते योग्यच आहे. अपॉर्च्युनिटी मार्केटमध्ये खूप आहे, जॉब ओपनिंग्स खूप आहे. त्याचं सगळ्यात म्हणजे उदाहरण म्हणजे मागच्या समजा आपण पॅन्डेमिकच्या आधी आपला GDP मायनसमध्ये होता, आता तो प्लसमध्ये आला 6%, 6%. That is a very good sign as far as our economic growth is concerned. आणि सगळ्या इंडस्ट्री जर वाढल्या तर इकॉनॉमिक ग्रोथ वाढतं. कालच म्हणजे मार्केट सुद्धा 52,000ला टच केलं. म्हणजे काय होतं की इट इज अ गुड साईन. आणि हा पॅन्डेमिक आता जाईलच. ठीक आहे, यांनी आपल्याला 1 वर्ष 1.5 वर्ष त्रास दिला, परंतु दिस विल बी गो ऑफ, दिस विल बी शट डाऊन, अँड अगेन आवर इकॉनॉमी विल बी booming, our industry will be boom, and the opportunity will be more. तर डेफिनेटली हा मेसेज आम्ही विद्यार्थ्यापर्यंत पोहोचवतो. फक्त कसं आहे की दे शुड रेडी फॉर द इंडस्ट्री, अँड रेडी म्हणजे काय की ते त्यांच्याकडे जसे स्किल सेट पाहिजे, सो दॅट इंडस्ट्री कॅन प्लेस देम. दिस मेसेज वी विल फॉरवर्ड टू आवर स्टुडंट. थँक्यू.
Nitin raised his hand. Nitin, you wants to talk something? Yes, Nitin.
He's in office.
Nitin wants to talk something. He raised his hand.
No, but
He
he
has
is
mentioned I
in
wanted to
office.
talk, but I cannot.
He's in office.
He has mentioned in the chat box.
Okay. Pooja, any lady member, lady alumni? Chetan, Chaitali, can you speak? Chetan,
चैतन्य सर,
Chaitali, please.
मला फक्त एक पॉइंट ऍड करावं असं वाटतं. ऍज जेव्हा आम्ही लास्ट इयर मध्ये होतो तेव्हा बाहेरच्या जगामध्ये कुठले कुठले ऑप्शन्स आहेत आणि काय काय म्हणजे वेगवेगळे पाथ्स आहेत ते आम्हाला माहित नव्हतं तेव्हा. सो ऍज आपण आता बघतोय की सगळेजण वेगवेगळ्या फील्डमध्ये आहे, जसं की आत्ताच मेन्शन झालं लायनक्स किंवा क्लाउड असेल किंवा मी ऑटोमोबाईल मध्ये काम करतेय सध्या. सो मला असं वाटतंय की आत्ताचे जे फ्रेशर्स आहेत किंवा थर्ड इयरचे स्टुडंट आहेत त्यांना थर्ड इयर मध्ये किंवा फोर्थ इयर मध्ये कळालं की त्यांना काय करायचंय, त्या रिलेटेड जर आपण काही त्यांच्यासाठी करू शकलो तर तो बेटर वे होईल की त्यांना लवकरात लवकर पाथ फाइंड करण्यासाठी. कारण की आमचं कसं झालं की आम्ही पासआउट झाल्याच्या नंतर आम्हाला काहीतरी शिकण्यासाठी किंवा एक्स्ट्रा स्किल सेट ऍड करण्यासाठी आम्हाला जवळजवळ 1 वर्ष शिकण्यात म्हणजे आमचा वेळ वाया गेला. सो तो रिड्यूस करण्यासाठी किंवा त्यांना लवकर जॉबमध्ये किंवा करिअर स्टार्ट करण्यासाठी जर काही करता आलं तर ते फ्रेशर्ससाठी चांगलं असेल, माझा पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू होता.
बरोबर आहे. त्याच्यासाठीच आम्ही तुम्हाला विनंती करतोय की तुमचे जे आता प्रत्येकाचे स्किल सेट आहेत, प्रत्येक जण वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात काम करतोय,
तेच.
तर हे थर्ड इयर फायनल इयरच्या विद्यार्थ्यांशी आम्हाला तुमची इंटरॅक्शन हवी.
हो, तेच त्या त्या वेनुसार जर आपण काही करू शकलो तर चांगलं होईल.
आणि आता इंटरॅक्शन कसं सोपं पण आहे. आपण ऑनलाईनच्या माध्यमातून त्यांच्याशी जोडू शकतो. वी कॅन इन थ्रू ऑनलाईन मोड वी कॅन इंटरॅक्ट देम. You need not to come to college also, from your office or from your home you can interact. तर तसं तुमची हेल्प आम्हाला लागणार आहे. थोडं तुम्ही त्या
हो,
बाबतीत.
नक्कीच सर.
ओके, थँक्यू.
थँक्यू.
स्वप्नील. बर,
पूजा आहेर काही बोलायचं नाही का तुला?
ओके.
कानिटकर.
प्रांजली, प्रांजली काही बोलायचं का? प्रणाली.
Pranjali has left the meeting.
हम्म.
Deepak.
प्रणाली. बर, ठीक आहे.
ठीक आहे सर.
हो, ठीक आहे. आता कोणाला काही बोलायचं नसेल असं समजून आपण कन्क्लूड करायचं ना मीटिंग. शुड वी कन्क्लूड? ओके, करा मॅडम कन्क्लूड.
Okay, sir. All the alumni, I wish you all earn fame, name, and promising career, and come to us every year to tell your success stories and reward our college, our department with your achievements. I thank you to all the participants for attending the meeting, and thanks to all the people who helped me either directly or indirectly to make the meeting successful. Thank you, sir. Thank you all the alumni.
Thank you
And
all
here I-
alumni, and we hope that again we will meet after 1 or 2 months in the same way. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. You can leave the meeting.